Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to check word count on Google Slides in 2025. Whether you're a student fine-tuning a school project or a professional crafting a business presentation, knowing your word count can help you stay on track and meet those pesky guidelines. Let's dive right in. It's easier than you might think. First off, as of 2025, Google Slides still doesn't have a built-in word count feature like Google Docs, but we've got a simple workaround that takes less than a minute. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation in your web browser. Navigate to the slide with the text you want to check. Step 1. Highlight the text you need. Just click and drag your mouse over the words, or use Ctrl+A, Command+A on Mac, to select everything on the slide. Step 2. Copy the selected text. Right-click and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C, Command+C on Mac. This grabs all the text you've highlighted. Step 3. Open a new Google Docs document. You can do this by going to docs.google.com and creating a blank doc, or right from Google Drive. Step 4. Paste the text into the Google Docs document using Ctrl+V, Command+V on Mac. Once it's there, your text is ready for analysis. Step 5. In Google Docs, click on Tools in the top menu bar, then select Word Count. A small window will pop up showing the total number of words, characters, and even paragraphs. Boom! You've got your word count. If you have multiple slides, just repeat the process for each one, or copy text from all slides at once for a full count. This method is reliable and works across devices. And there you have it. You're now a pro at checking word count on Google Slides. If this tip saved you time, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech hacks, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.